Unpopular in Muslim of Punjab, the people who came to fight in Punjab came from different places in India. They do not have any means of income, so to survive they start to tax the Muslim of the Punjab on behalf of their support. The Muslim who were already under so much pressure were unable to pay this tax. This created frustration amongst the Muslim of Punjab heterogeneous army. The army of Sayyid Ahmad Shahid was a volunteer army, and these volunteers came from many different parts of India. They belonged to different areas and races. They had different style of fighting on which they argued a lot. The only thing bounding them together was the leadership of Sayyid Ahmad Shahid. This difference among them contributed toward their defeat. Haji Shariatullah. He was a very devoted Muslim who wanted to serve Islam. He was worried about the situation of Muslims of subcontinent and wanted to bring a change in their condition. After some time, he came up with the conclusion that Muslims have stopped observing the obligatory prayer like namaz, roza, zakat, etc. He started Farisi movement with the belief that by offering all the obligatory prayer, Muslim would become better and closer to Islamic values. The advent of British in 16 CE, East India Company was established in England. Queen Elizabeth granted the charter to East India Company to trade in the area east of Africa. This included subcontinent Indonesia and Malaysia, etc. In the start, the East India Company tried their lack of Iceland of Indonesia, but they were unable to extract desirable profits from there. To make trading more difficult, they had a formidable opposition in the form of Dutch. The Iceland of Indonesia were already claimed by Dutch and Portuguese in 1623. An incident permanently convinced British to turn toward India. 21 men were killed by Dutch in Ambiona, out of which 10 were the servants of British East India Company. The incident is known as Ambiona Massacre. The first British ship landed in India in 1608 at Calicut. This was the time period of the fourth Mughal Empire. Jahangir he did not allow British to trade in India. However, in 1612, a limited permission was granted to British by Khurram Shah Jahan, the governor of Gujarat. As a result, British erected the first factory in Surat. James I dispatches Sir Thomas Roy to the royal court of Jahangir in 1614. The main reason of coming of British to India was trade of spices, cotton, jute, rice, etc. Secondly, they also wanted market for selling their product. The thing which were easily available in India had a high demand in Europe. The trade of Europe always wanted to trade with the India, and they had come to India by land. However, the route from land took years to reach the India from Europe. It took more than 2 years of Marco Polo to come to India. The major breakthrough the travel in India was in 1496 was Vasco and Gama of Portugal crossed the much feared Cape of Storms in the south of Africa.